Welcome to channel Mr. Learning. Today I will show you about how to create and import data to drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. For example, I have a table as invoice. In this table has two drop-down lists such as item and discount. We can click on here to choose our item list, and on here to choose how much % discount. Now we start together. First I will create drop-down list for discount. We need to select discount box and go to Data menu. Choose Data Validation. Click Data Validation. Click on Setting tab. Look at the Allow and change any value to list. And then we need to import value to drop-down list at source. Example, we have 5 of discounts like 0%, 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20%. We separate each value by using comma, and then click OK button. Now we see drop-down list of discount. We try to click here. We will see the value as we import. We can choose one from list. Now we create drop-down list for item by select all item list. Go to Data menu. Choose Data Validation. Click on Data Validation. Go to Setting tab. Change any value to list. And import data to drop-down list at source. But we have a lot of items, so difficult to typing here. So I create one sheet that given name is item. Like this. First column is item name. Second is price. And then I will import data from this sheet. So we click on Source. Go to Sheet. Item. Select the first column by click on the top of column. Click OK button. We also get data from sheet item to drop-down list. Now I add some knowledge like create auto number here. Get price auto from sheet. Item, after we chose item in drop-down list. One more, how to calculate amount and payment. First, create auto number. Now we have blank number here. So, after we chose item here, the number will display auto from 1 to 2, 3, and any more. We need to use if formula. We click here and write equal if open parentheses. Click item value cell equal double quotation mark 2 times. It means if item value is null or blank, number value is blank 2 by right, comma, double quotation mark 2 times, comma, number 1. It means that if item value is not blank, it will show number 1. Close parentheses and enter. For second number we write equa if open parentheses. Click item value equal double quotation mark 2 times, comma, double quotation mark 2 times, comma, click on first number, plus 1, close parentheses and enter. And then drag down. Now we loading price from sheet. Item. By use VLOOKUP formula. Click on price box and write equal VLOOKUP. Open parentheses. Comma. Go to sheet. Item. Select item column in the table, comma, and then count index of price list 1, 2. Price list is at index 2. So we write number 2, comma. Choose false. Close parentheses and enter. And then drag down. We will see NA because item value is blank. If item value have data, NA will change to the correct price got from item table. We can hide NA letter by go to edit the formula again by add. If NA at the first formula, open parenthesis, and add, comma, double quotation mark 2 times at the last formula, and then close parentheses and enter. Drag down again. NA will hide from the table. Now go to calculate amount. I think that all of you know already how to calculate, because it is easy by writing equal price multiply by quantity. Enter. And drag down. Now we see hash value because no data at price and quantity. So we go to edit formula again by adding. If error at the first formula, open parenthesis, and adding, comma, double quotation mark 2 times at last formula, close parenthesis and enter. Drag down again. For total, we write equal sum, open parenthesis, select amount value from top to down, close parenthesis, enter. Finally, calculating payment by writing equal total minus total multiply by discount. Enter. We get the payment. This lesson finish. I think that all of you understand about this lesson. Any question, please comment on the video. I will reply you. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye and good luck. See you later.